y'all, welcome to Random Shenanigans. Today I am reviewing the Rapido Corded Vacuum Cleaner. This is not a sponsored video. I just needed a better vacuum, so just thought I'd share what I got and how I like it. I ordered this from Amazon. I paid full price at $49.99. I am all about saving money, so I'm not about to pay $200 to $300 for a Dyson, but wanted something similar. Let's see how it works.
Lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to.
This vacuum is super lightweight and the suction is working really well so far. I had to empty out the canister a couple times, but all in all, I really love it and it's so worth the money. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.